Hey everyone, welcome back to my Auto Cornered YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why your car won't start after filling up with gas. This is a frustrating issue that many drivers have experienced, so let's jump right in and cover the top causes and solutions. The number one culprit is likely going to be an issue with your EVAP system. EVAP stands for Evaporative Emissions Control System. This system is responsible for controlling the fuel vapors in your gas tank, and if something goes wrong, it can cause major starting issues after refueling. Specifically, a stuck open purge valve is a common problem. The purge valve releases fuel vapors from the charcoal canister into the engine. If it gets stuck open, it will flood the engine with fuel vapors when you refuel, causing it to not start. Let me grab a model EVAP system so I can show you how it works. The charcoal canister here stores the fuel vapors. When the engine is running, the purge valve opens to allow vapors to be burned in the engine. But if it's stuck open, it overwhelms your engine when refueling. Other issues could be a faulty charcoal canister that can't absorb vapors or even a damaged gas cap not sealing properly. So inspect your EVAP system if you have this no start issue. Now, another possibility is a clogged fuel filter. The filter screens out debris before fuel reaches the engine. Over time, it can get restricted and reduce fuel flow. This starvation of fuel can cause stubborn starting right after filling up. Replacing the fuel filter every 30,000 miles is a good idea. Use a quality brand and keep an eye out for any symptoms. Lower gas mileage, rough idle, and hesitations under load can indicate a clogged filter. The fuel pump is another integral part of the fuel system. It delivers pressurized fuel from the tank to the engine. A worn-out pump may have trouble keeping up with demand after refueling, preventing a good start. Listen for whining or sputtering noises from the fuel tank area. You can also test fuel pressure to confirm if the pump is weak. All right, everyone. That covers the major reasons why your car may not start after filling up with gas: issues with the EVAP system, a restricted fuel filter, or a failing fuel pump. These are the most common culprits. Now I tried to provide a good overview of how to diagnose and fix each problem. But if you need more detailed explanations, I have a full article on my website that goes more in depth on each cause and solution. I'll put a link to it down in the video description, so be sure to check it out if you need more info. Thanks for watching this video on troubleshooting no start conditions after refueling your car. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm happy to help you get your vehicle back up and running properly.